Finally, the user nomograms that have been created and developed based on the clinic's own retrospective data can be now applied to the next patient. I will show you how to select, review, and apply an appropriate nomogram, as well as creating an individual treatment planning report.
Now it is time for our last workflow step: select and apply these created nomograms. Here, Visualize offers you a list of all sealed and created nomograms, and they are sorted by the date. When selecting one of them, all used filter options as well as statistical parameters are shown again on the right. You can create as many personalized nomograms as you require and use them for the next patients. In general, therefore, there are 3 options to use the nomogram. The first option is the export. When you export this nomogram, you have to set a password. This is needed to be able to bundle a specific and individual nomogram to one operating surgeon. Now you can hit the OK button. You can now save this export file on your local system. With the export file, you will get a lookup table, and it shows you the adjusted spherical and cylindrical correction. And these are calculated based on the retrospective collected data of the database in Visualize. As these lookup tables are sometimes hard to read, you have also the option to use this small treatment planning option for OD and OS, or small calculator. And this is actually a help and support of using the lookup table in a digital way. You can enter here the refraction of the next patients where the nomogram should be applied. Let's say it's a -3 in sphere, -1 in cylinder, axis of 90 degrees. The target should be plus 0.50 and cylinder should be 0. And we apply this nomogram from the top to this refraction input. What you will get are the adjusted numbers for sphere cylinder axis to be entered on the laser. And these are adjusted by the selected nomogram based on the retrospectively collected data in your database. Based on the device type for which the nomogram was calculated for, the corresponding fields are highlighted here in blue. From here, after doing the same for the OS, you can also print a small treatment planning report to get the adjusted values to be able to use it in the OR for the treatment planning. Let me show you an example. This is how this report would look like. You will get the nomogram information again at the top and the refraction input and the input for the laser. And the third, much more comfortable option is that Visualize also creates a digital user nomogram during the export. And this can be uploaded on the new VisuMax directly and in Refractive Workplace, so no manual adjustments and efforts are needed anymore.